to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram login error. So if you're facing this problem, then basically you can log in into your Instagram account. Now the first reason could be that the login details like your email or your username or like the password you entered is incorrect. So make sure to check if that's correct, and even if that's correct you're still facing the problem, then watch the video until check if the internet connection you're on is stable, because if your internet connection is not working properly or it's slow, then you can log in into your account. Make sure your internet connection is stable and is on like at least more than 5 MB per second speed, and it should work. And even if your internet connection is stable, you're still facing this problem, what you can do is just close your Instagram like this, reopen it again and try to re-log in into your account again, and it should work. Alright, if it still doesn't work, what you can just do is basically go on the App Store. You want to search for Instagram over here. Why you want to search for Instagram is to check if your Instagram is up to date or not. So after you search for Instagram, if it says update, you need to click on update to update it, but mine says open, which means my Instagram is up to date. So make sure your Instagram is up to date. Even after updating your Instagram it didn't work, just switch off your phone, turn it on again, try it again, it should work. If it still doesn't work, go on setting and go on versus general, go on iPhone storage. Over here you have to find Instagram. Once you're over here, find Instagram. Once you see Instagram, click on offload app. Click on offload app. Once you offload Instagram app, click on reinstall app. Once you reinstall Instagram again, try to re-log in into your account again, it should work. If it still doesn't work, just delete your Instagram and reinstall it again and it should work. And sometimes when you try to log in into your account multiple times, Instagram is gonna think like somebody's trying to hack your account, so they're gonna disable your login for like 24 hours. So try to re-log in into your account after 24 hours and it should work, alright?